Hello everyone, welcome back to Deeper Bits. My name is Rohit Raj, and if you are watching this video, I just wanted to tell you very huge congratulations because you have already completed our first topic, that is called as version control system intuition. I mean, you are already ahead of many people who just run git commands by memorizing them. So this is basically a prerequisite video where we are going to install git in our setup. So from next video we are going to go deep dive in git commands. So let's see first how we can install git in our Mac system. So any of our viewer who are using Mac, please pay attention here. Okay, to install Mac, what you have to do is first we have to install brew in our system, right? So you can basically go in browser and type brew.sh, and you can basically copy this whole command, that is /bin/bash/c and the curl command. And if you are not running it as a sudo, you just have to give the password here, and then it will take a little bit of time to install brew. Once the brew is installed, you can basically run these three commands. The first command starting with echo, the second command is echo only with eval, and the third command, yeah, we just have to run as it is. And then basically let's see brew hyphen version. Yeah, we are able to see brew. Now let's install git. So the command will be brew install git, and basically this will install git in your Mac system. And let's see git hyphen version. Yeah, we have already installed git in our Mac system. Now guys, let's install git in our Linux system. So I have basically tried to install git in Ubuntu distribution. You first have to run apt get update. It will basically update all your packages. And the next command that you basically have to run is apt get install git. And you just have to say yes, and it will basically install git in your system. Now let's try if git is installed or not. Git hyphen version. Yeah, we already have a git in our system. Now let's see how we can install git in Windows system. Now to install git in Windows, in your browser you can basically type git-scm.com/install/windows, and here from this you can just install the installer. If you are using 64-bit, then you can click here to download, and if you are using a ARM chip, you can just click git for Windows ARM64 setup. And similarly, without brew also you can install uh, git using Mac ports. And if you really want to install git for other distributions, here you can refer, like you can use basically For Fedora, you can use yum install git, dnf install git, or for arch Linux you can use pacman, or for OpenSUSE you can use zipper. So yeah, you can basically follow these commands if you have some other distribution as well. So congratulations, once again we are able to install git in our system. And now from next videos we are going to deep dive in git frontend and git backend commands, and it is also called as git porcelain and git plumbing commands. So if you guys are liking my video and you are liking my content, you can subscribe to my channel and you can follow me on Insta and Twitter for more updates. Thanks again. Thanks a lot.